Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Architect Studio and today we're going to visit the City Hall of Cagayan de Oro City, where the City Mayor's office is located. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the ring bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. The original name of Cagayan de Oro City Hall is Casa Real de Cagayan, built in 1831. We're the site of today's Executive House in Cagayan de Oro City Hall Complex. During this era, Cagayan de Oro was known as Cagayan de Misamis. The Casa Real de Cagayan was the residence of all Spanish politico-military governors of Misamis. The Casa Real was the seat of the Spanish provincial government. It has become a symbol of Spanish repression in Cagayan. It's said that a cruel Spanish governor at one time whipped an Indios right at the stairs of the mansion. Casa Real was later demolished sometimes between 1910 and 1930s. Then, Cagayan built a new town hall on the same site. It is understandable that people of Cagayan de Oro City would hold the site sacred to ensure the future generation will forever remember and cherish the Cagayan people loves for freedom. The historical marker was installed on the site in 1999. The year Mindanao marks the centennial year of the proclamation.
Down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you freed your soul, hope you freed your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I drink these days because my health declines. Running nose, doing laps around them, cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. My regrets are texts I couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and pretend like this never ended, cause I've been leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witnessed. Know you've been through it. please come back to earth for me. This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show 'em the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome, just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the fuck I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest, but I ain't doing nothing I don't need. Just a G chasing money till he go and rest in peace. Know that it ain't always what it seems. When my brothers blowing trees, they just really blowing steam. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it, Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby.
A special shout out to my members and thank you for their support and being part of Architect Studio family. Walk with Ruru by Ruru Ocampo, based in South Korea. Ed's Cucina Channel is a blogger based in Japan. Ang's Dave is a food blogger based in Davao. Julie Jules TV is a plantita based in Calabarzon. Taga Lopez is a blogger based in United Arab Emirates. Jules TV is a lifestyle blogger based in Hong Kong. Joy's Wonderful Kitchen is a blogger based in Japan. Wings Blog is a Bisayang Tagalog that loves Mang Tomas. Lizelle Pardo is a lifestyle blogger. My gorgeous friend Chobaki Blog is a lifestyle blogger based in Leyte. Henry Danga, a travel blogger featuring the development and progress of Metro Manila. Miss Yuri, a lifestyle blogger based in Bonifacio Global City. Master Salvero Blog, a live streamer of Pateros, Metro Manila. Ate Muchi Muchi, featuring the land of the rising sun, Japan. Banana Man Junrei Malingi, a live streamer of Iligan City. Latago Venture, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Rai Rai on the Go, a live streamer of Cagayan de Oro City. Monica Malingi, a lifestyle blogger from Republic of China. Miss Pinky Llamera, a lifestyle blogger from Middle East. Basio 5, a blogger from Singapore. Real Kill Channel, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Call me Sander, a 40 years old millennial. Miss Marbetraland, a blogger from Bohol. Ate Agavio, a blogger from Saudi Arabia. Master Amo Bossing, Boom Borja, John Lloyd Cruz of Metro Cebu. Thank you so much for watching and more videos to come.
Hi guys, please subscribe to my friend Gerald to his channel, Architect Studio, and have a great day.